Lex Money. In the previous video, we spoke about Solana, and we spoke about in the last cycle, or the cycle before last, NFTs were the way that Solana got a lot of volume. In this cycle, it was things like Goatius Maximus and all of these other meme coins on Solana that were bringing a lot of trading volume and allowing the price of Solana to continue to pump. Maybe we found where the volume is going to come in the next cycle, guys. And I think it could be through things like SOLPUMP, right? Solana-based betting platforms, okay? So right now we've made videos on SOLPUMP before. I'll take you through kind of like what SOLPUMP is, why we could be getting some trading volume of Solana through a lot of these projects, and specifically this one, now that we're getting more games on it. I mean, we've got Crash, we've got CoinFlip, we've got Blackjack, but why is this different to some of your other online betting platforms, guys? Well, number one, what I always like to look at is the fairness. So you can see here that it's a provably fair system, allowing players to verify that the site operates legitimately, doesn't tamper any results. You can go and you can, check out all this, all of you coders, you can check out this for yourself. And you'll also be able to see on the blockchain that, with these games, there's a predetermined outcome before the betting round does close. Okay, so it's not like someone bets 10 sol and then all of a sudden the betting platform decides, you know what, we want to take that sol. There's already a predetermined outcome of the returns that are going to come, right? And you can see here, you can verify the server seed, public seed, the result multiplier, and you got these recent round game results as well. And you can see here that these are all posted before the outcome, guys, or before the betting round does close. So it makes it provably fair. So you'll see that for Crash, for CoinFlip, for Blackjack, and then they've also got a daily case as well. So you could go on here and you could spin your daily case, maybe win some SOLPUMP, some actual SOL as well. This ranges like all the way from 0.01 SOLPUMP to around 10 SOL, guys, which is really, really cool. Obviously, you guys can go and check that out for yourself, but they do have airdrops every single day as well. Next airdrop coming in 13 minutes. You can enter the airdrop. The more people that enter the airdrop, the more the winner will get. So right now, if we stay at this price, then in 13 minutes, someone's going to be the lucky recipient of $140. So, I think a lot of these platforms are going to do well in the next cycle and could be what actually does drive a lot of volume on Sol, guys. So if you missed my last Sol video, make sure you go and watch that. But another thing that I've been looking at is the RTP, so the return to player. And the rate of the Crash game is currently 95%. So it's fair and a competitive edge for players over time. RTP is usually a lot lower on some of these other platforms. We said that it's provably fair. Again, you can get free Solana from the airdrops, claim a case, and win up to 10 SOL. So I've got a link for this in the description as well. I think all you need to do is put a bet down of 0.025 SOL. So it's like $5 or something, which will give you a chance to win up to 10 SOL. So $5 for over a K is a pretty good bet for me. I do this nearly every single day, guys, so you can go and check out the link in the pinned comment. But things like SOLPUMP, pretty fun platforms to play on. If you are a bit of a degen, I'm a bit of a degen when it comes to these platforms, I'm not going to lie. Obviously, we're very, very safe with a lot of our other investing, but to have a little bit of fun, sticking a 0.5 SOL in here right now isn't the worst thing to do in the world if you're a little bit bored. You got CoinFlip as well, you got Blackjack as well, and they've got some more games coming in the future as well. So, if you are betting, SOLPUMP right now is only 3 cents. And all time, you're going to see here, it's actually been slowly trending upwards. So if you've been doing these daily cases, and again, if you're using this every day, you get a free daily case, and you've been holding your SOLPUMP, you're actually up like 300% on the SOLPUMP. I think since the last time we made a video was somewhere like around here, then you'd be up 100% on whatever SOLPUMP you have, guys. So even if you wanted to trade SOLPUMP, you could do that as well, and you've got the contract address here, so you can go and check that on TradingView as well, guys. So you'll see here all the different players. We've got 237 in the general chat right now, but I thought I would just kind of highlight this as a potential saving grace for the Sol ecosystem next run, being that we could have a lot of volume coming through sites like this, specifically SOLPUMP, especially when we do start to see a lot of the volume come through with new games, guys. So if you want to check them out, you want to go and get a free daily case, then link in the description, you can go get a free daily case. Let me know what you think of the platform. You can go and check out the code as well for yourself, so you can go and verify that. But just a quick one on SOLPUMP today, guys. We're going to get into more platforms like this. That could potentially be where we do start to find a lot of trading volume in the next cycle, guys. So again, to make sure you don't miss out on any updates, like the video, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.